Hello guys, welcome to the Black Forex Academy channel. My name is Laurent, you can call me Black. So on today's video, what you're going to be breaking down is going to be breaking down Nasdaq, the major pairs, and volatility 75. So starting off with this volatility 75, you can actually see as the month has just closed, the month just closed with a very strong bullish engulfing candlestick, indicating or confirming the trend. Obviously, as you can see, Nasdaq is an uptrending index and it's been pushing very high. And last month just showed even more strength, more bullish momentum. But as you can see here on the daily structure, prices are in this ascending pattern. They broke out of this, they broke above this descending trend line, right? But right now here, prices have been having a problem trying to break this market here, or this resistance area here. So going down into the lower time frames, while still on the daily, if we look at the anchor candlestick, we can see this one right here is the anchor candlestick, but prices have already closed below the anchor candlestick. So that means the anchor candlestick was bullish, and since prices have closed below it, means it's going to be a reversal. And we can actually verify that. As you can see here, we have a RSI divergence. Here, it has diverged like here, and here prices are flat. So that's just an indication, a confirmation, but you shouldn't be using that as your entry or confirmations. It's just for, additional confluence. Now, going into the lower time frames, such as the 4-hour, we can see that prices have been consolidating for a while here. Prices have been consolidating in this range for a while. After prices broke here, that still indicated another confluence of this bearish move. So in this pair, what I'll be expecting to see is this might act as a retest. If we look into the lower time frames, we can see what really happened, such as the 1-hour. We can see that prices came back here, almost retesting it, but still it counts because, this is not a line, it's a zone. So that means prices may keep on pushing lower. And as you can see here, the bulls don't have that much momentum. So on the 4-hour, what I'll be expecting to see is prices keep on pushing lower, break below this zone here, right? To actually come down here. To actually push all the way down here. And then after here, what I'll be expecting to see is actually a bullish move, because as you know, this is a bullish pair. So that's what I'll be expecting to see. But if prices don't break this zone here and bounce off, come back and break above here, I won't be surprised, because as you know, this is a bullish pair. So you should be most of the time bullish bias, not bearish bias. But if prices break here, then you should be rest assured that prices will reach here before they actually take off. So that's all about Nasdaq. Let's look into EURUSD. With EURUSD, we can see prices are very bearish. Looking at the daily structure here, prices have hit a third touch on a descending trend line, right? And then prices has engulfed almost 5 candlesticks of the previous week with 1 candlestick. So that shows a very strong bearish momentum and a shift in the direction, in the trend, because as you can see here, prices were bullish, but on Thursday, prices closed with a doji indicating a lack of momentum, and on Friday, it was completely taken over with this engulfing candlestick. Now, as you can see here, in the 4-hour, the trend has been broken, this trending. So in this currency pair, I'll be expecting to see some sort of retracements and then push all the way down there, right? So that's all about EURUSD and how I expect it to play out this coming week. We do have GBPUSD, which positively correlates with EURUSD. Also, prices on Friday with this pair gave us a very great shift in momentum, a bearish engulfing candlestick, which engulfed almost 6 candlesticks. indicating a change of momentum again, right? So in the 4-hour here, as you can see, prices already broke this trend here. Now, what I'll be expecting in this pair before I actually take an entry is a break below this support, a retest, and then I'll be waiting to ride it all the way down here. So this trend is what I'll be expecting to see the coming week. I'll be waiting for a break, retest, and then at the retest, take a trade, which is approximately 1:11. So it's insane. It's a great trade. I hope you guys will actually take it. Or if you find an opportunity to take the trade after the prices break, best of luck. We do have USDJPY. USDJPY prices have been pushing higher this previous week. And as you can see here, again, momentum, right? Now, if we look at this pair from the weekly structure, we can actually see that prices were in this bearish trend, right? This descending triangle, and prices actually broke here. After breaking, they retested the prices, and as you can see, last week's candlestick was the bullish engulfing candlestick. After the retest, which confirms our move that the retest has already occurred and prices will keep on pushing higher, right? So on the 4 hours, you can see here, prices have broken above this zone here, have broken this market structure, but prices haven't advanced that much. So what we'll be expecting to see in this currency pair perhaps is for prices to advance all the way there and then give us a swift retest before actually taking off. So that's what I expect to see in USD JPY. Love. We do have USD CHF. With this currency pair here, what makes me be bearish biased is if you look in the monthly time frame, prices, as you can see here, have broken below this market structure here and then retested it, right? After retesting it, it confluenced with the zone and the 0.61 Fibonacci correlation called Fibonacci key level, right? So this is 3 confluences, and this bearish engulfing candlestick is a very strong monthly candlestick, right? So I'm bearish biased in this pair, but right now, if you look at the daily, prices gave us this bullish engulfing candlestick, right? Engulfing here, but not totally engulfing this anchor candlestick. So I'm still bearish. And that prices, I'll be waiting to see how prices react when they reach on this resistance. If prices break above, then I'll shift my bias and close this first order and not take this second order. But if prices bounce off this level or the 0.338 Fibonacci key level, then I'll be pulling my trigger to go all the way down to around 0.8831. That's USD CHF. We do have volatility 75. I gave you this breakdown last week that prices will break here. Prices had already broken, and I told you wait for the retest and bounce off. As you can see, prices did exactly that. So going down at the lower time frames, prices have failed to break above here. Prices have failed to create new highs on the 4-hour, but again have failed to break this resistance zone here. So what I'll be expecting to see here is prices break either side of this consolidation before actually making my move. If prices break below here, I'll be waiting to see. If prices break below here, I'll be waiting for a retest and pushing all the way down here. My first take profit will be around here. And my second take profit, obviously, will be here. If prices break above, then that will be a very swift move. And because these are very new highs and we don't know where prices are heading to, we actually have to use the Fibonacci tool. That's actually a Fibonacci extension. So voila. So I'll be expecting to see prices push here and here, find a little bit of resistance, or create a resistance area at around here. And after that, I'll be looking to take my second take profits at around there. So that's the Fibonacci extension tool. If you don't know how to use it, I'm going to link a video on how to use it in this video so that you can actually go and watch and learn how to use it. Now, that's the end of the video, guys. If this video has been helpful to you guys, give us a quick like. Don't forget to subscribe for future content and share with your friends. With that said, thank you guys. Let's have a killer week. Peace and love.